Well, hello everyone, it's Dave, the NV guy here at Garland Shelton Nissan in Temple, Texas. Hey, attention all locksmiths. Is the vehicle you're currently driving getting a little tired? Maybe you're starting to spend some money on repairs, or maybe you just want to up your image a little bit. Well, I've got the vehicle right here for you. This is a 2018 Nissan NV 2500 3/4 ton cargo van with a Adrian Steel locksmith package built right in. So let me tell you a little bit about this van. First of all, the Nissan van is built in the USA in our plant in Canton, Mississippi. Comes with a 5-year, 100,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. That's right, bumper to bumper, not just the engine, but everything is covered. Your engine, electrical, air conditioning, all the mechanical parts. 5 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. This van has a 3,000 pound cargo capacity, minus the weight of what is here with this conversion package, and it'll tow up to a 9,400 pound trailer built right in, hitch, everything, wiring, hook up your trailer and go. Also has the bumper sonar sensors in it. Beauty of this van, you ever get in a situation, maybe you got to be in a parking garage or there's some low-hanging trees. This van's 7 foot tall, allows you to get inside most every place without any problem at all. Another beauty of this is a 19-inch step up into the cargo area, both on the side and rear doors. This van also comes with a built-in inverter, so you can power it's got 120 volt outlets, one in the driver's compartment center console and one at the back. The inverter will allow you to power items that are 150 watts with the plug that's in here, and in the plug in the rear you have the ability of doing up to 400 watts of power. Run all your power tools, things that you can power off of the engine without having to worry about having another inverter. Makes it real easy to get in here and just take and do business. So the package that we have here from Adrian Steel: bulkhead partition, shelving, workbench, lockable storage areas, literature rack in the back, even has a little stool for you. Everything that you see right here comes in this package from Adrian Steel. So here's the beauty of this thing. The van itself has an MSRP of $33,975. The Adrian Steel package, locksmith package, is $4,925. Total MSRP $38,900. But listen to this. I can offer this to you for $32,299. That's right. The way it's equipped right here, right now, $32,299. We have financing available through Nissan, as well as attractive lease offers like a track lease, which gives you unlimited mileage driving on a lease. All available. You just have to come down here to see Dave, the NV guy at Garland Shelton Nissan in Temple, Texas. You can reach me by calling me at 254-742-4149, or send an email to Dave, D-A-V-E, at thenvguy.com. THENVGUY.com. Great package for a locksmith. Replace the vehicle you have, get a brand new one, get your signs on the side there, you're in business. Hope this has been interesting for you. Come see Dave, the NV guy at Garland Shelton Nissan. Thank you.